Welcome to Asda Warrington ADC, where Vanderlande and Asda entered into a partnership in 2016 to deliver life cycle services. Now we fast forward to 2022, where we talk about the significant improvements in performance and throughput for the site, built upon a collaboration between the operational teams of Asda and Vanderlande.
This site's incredibly important to the Asda Logistics Services network. It's our biggest ambient distribution centre. It serves 125 stores and therefore is very, very important to our customers in terms of serving them better than anyone else. It's one of our accelerators in our logistics strategy. We're learning incredible amounts about the size and scale of the automation in here, but more importantly about how to incrementalise automation through process by process.
I'm the Senior Director for the Food Distribution Centres in the North, comprising of 11 sites. And one of those sites is Warrington, and that's where my Vanderlande relationship exists, where they are the engineering team on site, delivering the day-to-day automation. So the journey since 2018 has been one of learning, discovery and really moving on our automation solution and innovation solutions to a place of where we are today, where we are coming up with new ideas and working really well together in implementing new technology and automation. The Vanderlande team here has gone from strength to strength. We've got the right people in the right place at the right time now to come up with those ways of working, that one team way of working, and coming up with viable solutions to help us improve this site. So we have a really strong way of working together in a relationship, both having the team in Vanderlande available and at the end of the phone, but more locally on a site point of view, always on hand, ideally getting in place to give us solutions and help us support the day-to-day operation and running of this facility.
In the words of our site manager, a happy engineer is a good engineer, so our first priority was to refresh and develop our team. As one team, we empower our engineers to take responsibility to deliver a high standard of maintenance, to provide good service to our customer. In return, we recognise their progress and achievements and give them a better work-life balance. This results in a highly motivated team with a clear career pathway.
We, the site-based team at Vanderlande, work in partnership with the customer to develop a maintenance plan to suit the peaks and troughs of the volume that comes through our site. We take pride in our work. To show this, we have incorporated a technical cleaning team into our preventative maintenance slot. This has helped us prolong the lifetime of the material handling system. We increased availability, minimised downtime and double the amount of maintenance on critical assets. Overall, we place great emphasis on quality workmanship to ensure less impact to the customer's operation.
We are very fortunate that our customer is already invested in the continuous improvement methodology. Over the last 3 to 4 years, we've had many projects that have helped drive the efficiency and reliability of the system. We have the support of our global organisation to standardise a new approach to continuous improvement. We've created a technology roadmap which is looking at future projects within the next 3 to 5 years to improve the reliability and efficiency of the site. During this period, data has become increasingly important in driving site performance by benchmarking assets and giving visibility to the customer to see really how their site is performing.
Part of our strategic framework in ALS is to continue with innovation and automated solutions, and Vanderlande are a key part in driving those solutions and helping us to get where we need to go on our innovation journey.
We're learning incredible amounts about the size and scale of the automation in here, but more importantly about how to incrementalise automation through process by process. The main benefits for solutions to Asda stores are the store-friendly pallets that we create. There's more cases per pallet, they're much more uniform and easier for stores to unload and also pick from in an ergonomic way in store. The journey we've been on from a productivity and efficiency perspective in this site, from the day that it launched to where we are now, we're a good 50% more productive. We now are touching 300 cases per labour hour, and that's a good 100 better than any other ambient distribution centre in the network. The system enhances the safety and well-being of our colleagues very well indeed. The process of assembly versus pick in this site versus a manual operation, it's goods to person, it's far more ergonomic, and also helps us with our musculoskeletal injuries in site. This is one of the most safest sites that we've got in our network.
I view our partnership with Vanderlande as a key relationship and absolutely unlocks the value that we have here on site with our automation, our innovation and technology, and taking some of those solutions and looking if we can use those in our wider business as further opportunities and solutions.
The biggest improvements in terms of the solution that Vanderlande provides are across three of our key C's, as I would call them. First and foremost around compliance, so the health and safety of the site and its performance, the customer and the quality of service through accuracy and providing our customers with a better service, and also cost. Vanderlande has added value to our operation. I mean, they bring expertise from a third-party automation, mechanical and handling perspective. They're the sorts of skills that we don't have within our own operations and our own business, and therefore working together and growing the relationship and the partnership about new and innovative solutions in the future are really about what it's about going forward.
I'm really excited about our future. I've seen this site go from strength to strength, and I know with our partnership with Vanderlande that will continue. We'll come up with workable solutions that will absolutely help our innovation, technology and automation for the future.
As you have heard, Vanderlande and Asda share a common belief in our people. We've embedded within our culture the drive to improve the site's productivity. As a result of all of the outstanding work both parties have achieved together in a partnership, we've maintained outstanding performance on time delivery and half the metrics for the faults per 1,000 cases, all driven by improved volume and increased reliability as the site as a whole. We're proud of what we've achieved in this short time, and we look forward to the future to continuing this.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.